Welcome back everybody. In today's video we're going to be going over the 35% off all Icon wrenches, and I'm going to give you the sales prices on them. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we're going to combine these first two here. What we have is an Icon anti-slip grip professional metric combination wrench set, 14 piece, and this one is a standard. Regular price on these is going to be $129.99, and with the 35% off you're going to be looking at $84.49. Up next we have the anti-slip grip professional metric ratcheting combination wrench set, 10 piece, $169.99, and the sales price on that is going to be $110.49. And finishing off this row, we've got the extra long professional metric double box flex ratcheting wrench set, 5 piece. Normal price on this is going to be $229.99, and with the 35% off you're going to get it for $149.49. This is a great time to buy these. Starting off this row, we got the professional flex head metric ratcheting wrench set, 12 piece, $199.99 regular price. Sales price on these is going to be $129.99. Next up, we got the 3/8 drive professional crow's foot wrench set, $64.99 regular price. The sales price on this one is going to be $42.24. Then we got the professional metric ratcheting combination wrench set, 10 piece, normally $159.99. Sales price on this is going to be $103.99. And finishing out this row, we got the professional metric combination wrench set, 14 piece on this one for $119.99. Sales price on this is going to be $77.99. Then starting off this row, we got the professional SAE combination wrench set, 14 piece. That's $119.99, and the sales price on that is going to be $77.99. Next up here, we got the professional large metric combination wrench set, 5 piece for $79.99 regular price. Sales price on these will be $51.99. Next up, we got the professional large SAE combination wrench set, 4 piece, $89.99 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $58.49. And finishing off this row, we got the anti-slip grip professional ASE ratcheting combination wrench set, 7 piece on this one. Regular price is $129.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $84.49. Starting off this row, we got the extra long professional metric double box ratcheting wrenches. This is a 10 piece set for $199.99. Sales price on this is going to be $129.99. Then we got the professional large reversible SAE ratcheting combination wrench set, 7 piece, $199.99. Sales price on that will be $129.99. Next up here, we got the professional large reversible metric ratcheting combination wrench set, 6 piece, for $199.99. And of course, as we know, the sales price is going to be $129.99 like the first two. And finishing out this row, we got the professional SAE ratcheting combination wrench set, 7 piece for $119.99. Sales price on this is going to be $77.99. Starting off this row, we got the professional Stubby metric ratcheting combination wrench set, 10 piece, $89.99 regular price. Sales price on this one is going to be $58.49. Next up here, we got the professional FlexHead SAE ratcheting combination wrench set. This one is an 8 piece for $139.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $90.99. Next up, we got the professional Stubby FlexHead metric ratcheting combination wrench set. 10 piece on this one for $129.99. Sales price on this one will be $84.49. And then finishing out this row, we got the professional long metric combination wrench set. 10 piece on this one for $84.99. Sales price on this will be $55.24. Starting off this row, we got the Stubby professional metric combination wrench set, 10 piece for $39.99. Sales price on this one will be $55.99. Then we got the SAE angled open end wrench set, 7 piece for $59.99. Sales price on this one will be $38.99. Next up, we got the metric offset box wrench set, 5 piece for $49.99. Sales price on this will be $32.49. Next up here, we got the metric angled open end wrench set, 8 piece, $59.99 regular price. Sales price is going to be $38.99. Starting off this row, we got the Stubby professional SAE combination wrench set, 10 piece. This one is going to be $39.99 regular price. Sales price is going to be $25.99. Next up here, we got the Stubby SAE ratcheting combination wrench set, 7 piece for $79.99. Sales price on that is going to be $51.99. Next up here, we got the extra long professional SAE double box ratcheting wrenches. These are going to be a 7 piece for $149.99 regular price. Sales price is going to be $97.49. And finishing off this row, we got the Stubby Flex Head SAE Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set, 7-piece for $89.99. Sales price on that is going to be $58.49. Starting off this row, we got the S-shaped metric wrench set, 5-piece for $49.99. Sales price on that is going to be $32.49. Next up, we got the SAE offset box wrench set, 5-piece, $49.99. Sales price on that is going to be $32.49. Next up here, we got the S-shaped SAE wrench set, 5-piece for $49.99. Sales price on that will be $32.49. And finishing off this row, we got the long SAE combination wrench set, 7-piece for $64.99. Sales price on that's going to be $42.24. Okay, starting off this row, you can see these are all the hex keys and Torx bits and stuff on this. They consider these wrenches and they're coming up, so I'm going to go over them. So the first one we got here is the color-coded L-shaped ball-end hex key set, 13-piece, $24.99 regular price. Now the sales price on this is going to be $16.24, but look right now. If you're inside Track Club and this expires on 5/28, you can get it cheaper at $15.29 at 38% off. So right now you're actually getting a better deal on that one. So that's one of those you want to watch right there. Next up, we got the high torque T-handle Torx key set, 8-piece for $39.99. Sales price on that will be $25.99. Then we got the metric high torque T-handled hex key set, 8-piece, $39.99, and sales price will be $25.99. And finishing out this row, we got the L-shaped balled-in hex key set, 13-piece, $21.99 regular price. Sales price will be $14.29. And then finishing it off, we got the SAE Professional High Torque T-handled hex key set, 11-piece, for $44.99. Sales price on this is going to be $29.24. And there you have it. There's the 35% off of all Icon wrench sets going on during the June parking lot sale. This is going on from June 1st through June 4th for Inside Track, and then Friday, June 5th to Sunday, June 7th for everybody else. Now, if I was going to pick anything up, I actually have a lot of wrenches. The only thing I would pick up is the flex head ratcheting wrenches and metric. I would like to pick those up if I got the money. But what I want to know is, what do you guys want to pick up out of this? I'd like to hear from you guys down below. Let's start a conversation down there. I like talking to you guys. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there I have affiliated accounts that do help out the channel. Some got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.